A book I love, Twilight. One of my favorite books is Twilight. It's written by Stephanie Meyer. The story is romantic, thrilling, and mysterious. It has captured the hearts of many readers. The main character is a girl named Bella. She moves to a small town called Forks. She meets a boy named Edward. He is handsome, mysterious, and a vampire. Bella and Edward fall in love, but their love is complicated and dangerous. Edward's family is different. They don't hurt humans, but other vampires do, and they come to town. The book describes their love and struggles. It shows how they protect each other. It also introduces Jacob, Bella's friend. He has a secret too. He's a werewolf. Twilight is more than just a love story. It talks about friendship, family, and choices. It makes you think about right and wrong. It keeps you on the edge of your seat. I love the characters and the plot. I can feel Bella's emotions and thoughts. I can understand her choices and fears. I can imagine the beautiful scenery of Forks. I've read Twilight several times. Each time I read it, I find something new. It's a book that stays with you. It's a book that makes you feel and dream. The Twilight series has more books too. They continue Bella and Edward's story. They introduce new characters and twists. They make you love and hate, laugh and cry. I recommend Twilight to readers who enjoy romance. It's a book that you'll read again and again. It's a book that will touch your heart. It's a book that you'll always remember.